statement of the problem. So, what is the statement of the problem? So, who wants to this?
Statement of the problem is a crucial element in research, outlining the issue your study aims to address. It's a concise and to focus on the issue that provides context, significance, and the research that it intends to deal. Remember, a strong statement of the problem is a foundation for a success research project. It helps to ensure that your research is focused, relevant, and effective.
Statement of the problem, ito yung outline. For example, kapag mag-demo ka, ito yung lesson na, ito yung guide mo within the research. So, kung walang outline, saan yung patutunguhan yung research mo? Kasi kapag sa SOP, dito, ginajudge natin yung title natin. Or parang hinahanap natin yung pwede natin gustong alamin within the certain issue. So, yun yung research statement of the problem. So, kung walang statement of the problem, hindi natin malalaman kung ano yung ito kasi yung mga tanong natin sa sarili natin about sa title natin. So, next, what is SOP for? So, first is define the research focus. So, ito nga, dito sa SOP, makiklear natin sa sarili natin kung ano yung pinaka-focus issues natin. Kasi kung walang outline, hindi natin mapofocus kasi masyado na siyang broad kapag wala tayong guide. So, second, demonstrate relevance. So, explain why addressing this problem is important and what the potential benefits of your findings. So, sa SOP din, dito natin makikita kung ano yung bakit or para saan yung issue natin or bakit yun yung napili natin title. So, third is highlight the gap. So, it identifies the meaning, knowledge, or understanding in the field that your research aims to address. So, dito rin makikita kung ano yung pinaka-certain issue mo within the title. So, dito sa SOP, makikita mo doon sa mga questions na kung alin yung pinaka-highlight mo ng research nila. So, 4 is guide research direction. So, yun nga yung sinabi ko kanina, parang lesson plan na parang yun yung direction mo within yung research. So, kung makikita nyo, P is for title, then ito is OP, questionnaire findings, and conclusion and recommendation. So, ibig sabihin yan, yung title, konektado siya sa SOP. So, sa SOP, ito yung related siya sa title. So, kapag pinagsama mo yan, dito mo lang makukuha yung questionnaire findings and conclusion mo. Ibig sabihin, dapat yung foundation mo sa SOP pa lang dapat matibay na or may direction ka na para hindi ka na mahirapan gumawa ng questionnaire mo. So, questionnaire is used to gather data for the findings. Ibig sabihin, steps yan. Title, gagawa mo ng SOP, yung foundation mo. Pag nakagawa ka ng SOP, dito ka na mag-base ng questionnaire mo. Kasi meron ka lang i-base. So, yung questionnaire mo, makapag-gather ka ng data, so yun yung findings, saka ka makapagawa ng conclusion and recommendation. Kaya, importante yung SOP. Dapat talagang, kaya pala pinapaano sa atin ni Sir na yung pinapafocus sa atin yung SOP. So, any questions? Wala ako. So, merong dalawang parts yung statement of the problem. So, according to Cristobal and Cristobal, 2017, a statement of the problem should include general problem and specific problems. So, yung general problem statement, typically, the opening sentence states the main research problem or core issue. It is presented as declarative sentence. So, it means yung general problem, naka-sentence siya. While yung next is, ito, naka-question siya. Question, phrases. Tapos, yung general is naka-ano siya, sentence. So, ang nagkaiba niya,
Yan mo, yan.
example ng specific. While yung general, ito. Ayan. Yung parang pinaka-title nyo, i-highlight ko siya dyan. For example, yan yung title nyo. Particular effects on reading fluency of senior high school students. So, yung magiging title nyo, parang idadagdag nyo lang siya. For example, this is study aim to determine the effects. Ibig sabihin, nagpo-focus lang sila sa effects. So, parang sasabihin ko lang kung ano yung pinaka-goal nyo dito. Kung malaman yung effects, yung effectiveness, or investigating lang. So, parang inad lang nila dito. For example, yun nga, inad lang nila yung particularly gano'n. So, ibig sabihin in the sentence, bigla consider siya. So, yung, ito naman yung example ng sa specific. Specific problem. Yung naka-question na siya. For example, hindi naman daw required na kailangan natin malaman yung age at saka yung mga standard ginaganon. Depende daw sa title natin or sa respondents natin. So, ito yung example ng general. Yung dito na yung ina-highlight natin yung gaps, yung limitation, yung gusto nating malaman. So, any question po?